Hey everybody, it's Jason here with Hydrofin. So we've had a lot more customers asking us about how to self-install the system. And so we've created a pretty simple way to do that. So if you're interested in doing the install yourself at home, I wanted to just kind of show you how to do this in a cost-effective, pretty simple way to do it. So you don't actually have to find the center of gravity on your boat, at least for double pontoons at this point. We've got a database of all that information, so if you are interested in doing this yourself, we can actually provide you with that center of gravity information. So all you have to do is you actually just have to get the boat off of the trailer just a little bit. And so we're going to show you how we do this with some tools that you probably have at the house. So basically what you're going to need is you're going to need some sections of 2x4 cut like this. So about anywhere 8, 10, 12 inches, something like that. A 4x4 post, and a simple floor jack, okay? And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna just jack the boat up. We're going to put these 2x4s up under the logs themselves. And so we just need to get the boat just a couple of inches off of the trailer so that we can actually install the system. So we'll go ahead and we'll show you how we do this.